Hey guys, hi and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then hi, thanks for dropping in by my channel. Hi, I'm Polomi, and if you have already been there with me from my recent past, then no more introduction is basically needed. So today I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this particular eye makeup look where I have played with some very colorful colors and I have put on some rhinestone to glam up this look even more. And if you want to know how I achieve this particular base makeup routine, please head on to my Insta handle. My Insta handle is @Polomi_Mimi, and from there you can check out this entire base makeup routine. So now without any more further ado, let's dive into the video. So now as you can see that I'm totally done with my base makeup, so I'll quickly go ahead and start on with my eye makeup. But before starting on with my eye makeup, I have already prepped and primed my eyelids. And to prep and prime my eyelids, I have used my favorite combo, which is the PAC Spotlight Ready Concealer in the shade 0.5 Porcelain, which is basically this one. So I've used this to prep my eyelids, and then I have used my K Beauty HD Translucent Loose Powder, which is in the shade White, to set it up. So yeah, I'm done with these two, so I'm going to keep it aside and I'm just going to start on and go ahead with my eyeshadow palettes. And the very first palette that I'm going to choose right now is going to be this particular palette from Colourpuff Cosmetics, which is the Colourpuff Cosmetics Blue Moon palette, and this is how it looks like. So from this particular palette, the color that I'm going to choose right now is going to be this dark blue shade over here, which is known as Clubbed In. So I'm just going to go ahead and take this particular color. So zooming you guys in, I'm just going to start on with this color. So what I'm doing is I'm placing the color onto like this area just above my crease and placing it in a semicircular shape. So now at this point, when I'm done with that blue shade from my Colourpuff Cosmetics Blue Moon palette, I'm just going over towards my Morphe Exchange Shells palette, which is basically this one, and taking my Morphe Exchange Shells palette, I'm just going to take this. So from this particular palette, I'm going to take this bright pink shade over here, and I'm just going to take this shade and start blending onto like this area of my eyes. So now when I'm done with that dark pink shade, I'm just going to go ahead and take my Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette, and from this particular palette, I'm just going to take this beautiful color over here called Dollface, which is basically this one. So taking this beautiful shade over here, I'm just going to give everything that final blend. So now at this point, when I'm done with that Dollface shade from my Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette, I'm just going to go ahead and start cleaning up this area of my eyes. And to do that, I'm just going to cut my crease, and for that I'm again going to use my PAC Spotlight Ready Concealer. So yeah, I'm just going to take my PAC Spotlight Ready Concealer and start cleaning out this particular portion of my eyes. So taking my concealer, I'm just going to start cutting my crease. So yeah, I'm just going to do that. So I'm just going to keep it like this and quickly go ahead and blend this portion out, because I don't need to drag it till my lash line, because my lash line doesn't have any color or anything whatsoever. So please excuse that bird outside. Please excuse that bird outside. Oh my god. So now at this point, when I'm done with that cut crease, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put on some eyeshadow colors onto like this portion to make it way more colorful. And for that, the first color that I'm going to choose right now is going to be this particular dark red shade from my James Charles palette, which is basically this one. Yeah, so it's basically this one. I'm just going to choose this particular shade from this palette, and taking that shade, I'm just going to put it onto my lash line. Yeah, so I'm just going to take that color, put it onto my lash line, mimicking a shape of a winged liner. So I'm just going to start doing that. So now at this point, when I'm done with that red shade from my James Charles palette, I'm just go over and take this particular shade from this palette and start blending that red shade outwards. So now at this point, when I'm done with that orange shade, I'm just go ahead and take this light yellow shade over here, and I'm just going to give this portion that final blend. So now at this point, when I'm done with doing this portion of my eyes with the light yellow shade, I'm just going to go ahead and take this dark green shade over here, which is basically this one. Then I'm just going to go and take this one and then blend it out with that one. So I'm just going to take these three colors one by one, and I'm going to put it onto my lower lash line and blend it out properly so that everything looks nice and seamlessly blended. So now at this point, when I'm done with my lower lash line, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my Diamondy rhinestone, which are basically this one. I just love using these ones, and I am just going to put it onto like this portion of my eyes. So now I'm back after putting on my falsies and completing the other eye. So for my falsies today, I'm wearing my PAC M85 lashes, which are basically this one. This is my complete look. I thoroughly enjoyed filming this very colorful video. If you guys also have enjoyed watching this video, then do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, because it will mean a lot to me. I'll see you guys next day with yet another more interesting topic. Till then, take care, keep it glam, and love you all.